Hey everybody, welcome back to Tammy.Fitness. I'm Tammy Salamone, and today I'm going to be showing you another simple, healthy recipe you can make for you or your family. So it's very basic again, just like the other one. All you're going to need is 1 cup of egg whites. Go ahead and put that in, and a half a cup of milk. And also use whatever milk you use, soy milk or regular milk, whatever it is, it's fine. And then also a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. So I go ahead and put that in, and now I'm going to use my hand stick blender again. And we want to kind of get them a little fluffy. Okay, so I blended that for a few minutes, and you can see it's looking a little frothy there. And what you're going to do next is you're going to add about 1 cup of chopped mixed vegetables. Now it's up to you. I use whatever kind of I have in my house. I've got today bell pepper, zucchini, and a little green onion. And then I also put 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. If you don't like Parmesan cheese for some reason, go ahead and use a little shredded cheese. And now I'm just going to stir these in though. I'm not going to be mixing it again with the blender. So I'm going to get there, and then the next step is I'm going to be putting it into my muffin tin, which I already sprayed with a little canola oil. So I'm going to go back to my little ladle that I've used before, and I take about, 1 or 2 in here. I'm going to start with 1, and then if I have extra, I'll just go back and fill these cups up a little bit more. So once you've got these evenly divided into your muffin tin, I'm going to go ahead and put it now into my oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. These are so great because you can make these today and you can eat them for breakfast tomorrow. They're so low in calorie and so good for you, and they do taste really good. Here they are. You guys are going to love these, trust me. You can even put them in the refrigerator for tomorrow and then heat them up in the microwave, and you're just gonna love them. They're great on the go. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, I'm Tammy Salamone, and I'm your personal trainer.